Another blow to India. Government of Pakistan decides to register pink salt. The government of Pakistan has challenged India's claim to declare basmati rice as its product and won the case in the international court. Simultaneously, Pakistan has decided to register pink salt under the geographical indication, GI, tag. Pakistan has not only challenged India's application for a GI tag for basmati rice in the European Union, but has also decided to stop India's theft of pink salt, which it sells worldwide under its own name. Referring to Abdul Razak Dawood, Adil Waraish said that when the government's decision regarding the basmati rice GI tag came to light, people suggested that the issue of the pink salt GI tag should also be brought before the world. Adil Waraish further stated that the Intellectual Property Organization of Pakistan has started working on the registration of pink salt and other products. India has been selling this pink salt worldwide under its own name, giving the impression that it is its product. Speaking to Adil Waraish in the video blog, Mian Shahid said that pink salt could not only change Pakistan's destiny, but also include Pakistan in the list of the world's richest countries. It is also known as Himalayan salt worldwide. It was our incompetence that we never paid attention to this, and India has been benefiting from our incompetence. Mian Shahid said that Pakistan has never revealed to the world that pink salt is actually extracted from Pakistan. If Pakistan does this, it will not only embarrass India in international markets, but also bring recognition to Pakistan.